Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video of Yummy Bakes. Today's video is gonna be a special one. I'm gonna show you guys a recipe only known to my mother's family. Before that, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and turn on the notification so that you don't miss out any future uploads of mine. So, the recipe in today's video is my great grandmother's Harees or Aleesa. Now let's check out the ingredients for the Harees. We need half piece of a chicken breast, 3/4 cup of broken wheat. Now let's prepare the Harees. Into a pressure cooker, add the broken wheat and the chicken breast. Then add 1.5 cup of milk. Add 1 cup water. Add 2 pinches of salt into it and cook to 4 whistles. Allow the cooker to release pressure. Then open the lid, check if everything is cooked. If everything is cooked, allow it to cool down completely. Once the mixture has cooled down, add them into a blender. Then add milk and water each of 1 cup. Add 1 cup sugar and blend well. If it's very thick while blending, add little more milk and water. This should be the consistency of mixture. Now, heat a pot and melt 2 tablespoons ghee in it. Once it is melt, add 2 chopped shallots and saute till light brown. Once the shallots are light brown, add the blended mixture and stir. Once it starts boiling, reduce the flame to low and keep stirring occasionally. As you can see, it starts getting thick. Now add half teaspoon cardamom powder. Add 2 teaspoon ghee. Then check sugar and add more if you need to and keep stirring. Add 2 teaspoon ghee whenever it starts sticking on the sides of the pot. And I forgot to say, you can use vegetable ghee or pure ghee, but pure ghee will give more taste. As you can see, most of the ghee we put comes back out. If the Harees is thick like halwa and the excess ghee is coming back out, then it's done. Now push all the Harees to one side and keep the pot tilted in a way that all the ghee can come out or keep as shown. Keep the Harees in a closed container. It would stay in fridge up to 1 month. When you want to eat, take the portion you want, microwave it 1 minute and enjoy. As usual, do try this at your home and comment down below. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification so that you don't miss out any new videos. Thank you for watching today's video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.